Hey guys, thank you so much for clicking on this video. It's been quite a while since I have uploaded a new one, and I actually uploaded a video quite some time back on fresh look color contact lenses, which I absolutely love. The colors that will suit almost every Indian skin tone. So soon after I uploaded that video, I got a couple of questions like, how do you even wear them? Are you not afraid of hurting yourself in the eye or actually ruining the product? And actually that is a very good concern. I used to be concerned at the beginning as well, but with time I really got used to it. And in the beginning I was quite nervous while using it, because I mean, come on, these things look so fragile. I mean, it feels like you might actually tear them apart, but that is not the case. But the concern is also very genuine. If you don't know how to use it properly, you might actually ruin the product. With proper care and the proper way, you will be totally comfortable wearing it. So without further delay, let's just show you how I wear my contact lenses. So it's really important that you have your contact lenses in the solution for quite a long time before you wear them. And do not wear your contact lenses for more than 8 hours. It's not recommended and it is not safe as well. So let's just keep it up to 8 to 9 hours as much as possible, and make sure that you change the solution very frequently, because at the beginning when I started using contact lenses, and I used to forget that I had to change the solution, and I forgot quite sometimes, and when I used to wear them, it used to really itch and it is really very uncomfortable. So you just cannot blame the contact lenses for twitching in your eye. You have to make sure that you are changing the solution from time to time if you really want it to be a very comfortable. So without further delay, let's just show you how I wear my contact lenses. So these lenses are from Bausch & Lomb. I'm not sure whether it's the correct way to pronounce it, excuse me, but I guess that is the right way. I'm not sure, but these are the lenses that I have been wearing for the past 7 months, and these are super comfortable, and the color is brown, and I have been a fan of this brand since then, because the lenses look really natural. I mean, they don't, like, you cannot spot them if you do not know a person wearing contact lenses. You won't be able to tell if he or she is wearing one. So these are my favorite contact lenses, like in between all of them. So I will be wearing it, and you can see how I wear it. So make sure before you wear your contact lenses, you have dipped it into the solution for at least 1 to 2 hours prior to your wearing the contact lenses. And also make sure that you change the solution from time to time, because it is really very important that you change the solution. Otherwise your experience won't be comfortable. Trust me, it will keep on twitching in your eye, and it is not a good feeling. And always my request is, always carry your lens boxes along with you wherever you go if you're wearing any. So so the way you should keep your contact lenses on your finger is like this. The middle portion should be on the tip of your finger. This way it will be easier for you to put it inside your eye. Okay, so can you see it? It should be on the tip. Okay, now I will be putting it into my eye. And then close your eye. Voila, that's it. It's really very simple. And if some water is coming out of your eye, do not panic. It's not like you're crying or something. It's just a solution that you have dipped it in. If there is any solution sticking to the lenses, it will come out soon after you wear them. So yeah, that is how you wear it. Okay, I'll do it again. So make sure, so this is how you should keep your contact lens on the tip of your finger. This way it will be easier for the shape to stick onto your eyeball like this, and I will put it inside again. Close your eye. That's it. That's the solution coming out of my eyes. I'm not crying. No one cares, but anyways. Anyway, so this is how you wear your contact lenses. It's really very simple, and you just saw it just took me a couple of seconds. So don't be afraid. If you really want to wear contact lenses next time, don't be afraid, buy it, and I feel like within twice you will be able to wear it on your own. So to the people who actually texted me like, why, how can you wear them, this is how I wear them, and it's not really very hard. You can do it on your own. So that's just it. That's really simple. That's a really simple way to wear a contact lens, and that is how I wear them every time. I hope you find this video helpful. If you did, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you're new to it, and share it with your friends who are actually thinking of buying contact lenses but are a little bit nervous because they don't know how to wear them. So this is actually how you wear them, and it's really very simple. Once you do it on your own, you won't be afraid of doing it twice. So I hope you find this video helpful. I hope to see you soon in my next video. Till then, bye, take care.